Elena alla plonge, vediamo cosa sto facendo.
Honey, please don't cry. Listen to me.
Fare attenzione a cosa fa Licia.
No reason why we shouldn't agree. If I hurt your feelings, I apologize.
Doveva tenere qua.
You're the only
Licia non doveva portare, cioè non doveva mettere portare dentro la
lies. Don't cry, baby. Don't cry, baby. Dry your eyes. Let's be sweethearts again. You know I didn't mean to make you feel blue. Honest, I'll never do it again. Won't you forgive? Won't you forget? Do as I ask you to.